In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust or change store Filtersstore preferences. Fine-tuning these settings helps you control what you see, keep browsing family-friendly if needed, and make sure recommendations match the way you actually shop and play. Start by opening your profile. Look for your avatar or username, usually in the upper right corner of the store on desktop or in the main menu on mobile. Clicking it opens a small menu. From there, choose Store Preferences. This takes you to the page where all the filtering options live and where you can review what's currently allowed or hidden. Begin with Mature Content Preferences. Here, you decide whether the store should show products with age-restricted or sensitive themes. If you prefer a cleaner storefront, turn those categories off, so thumbnails, recommendations, and search results are filtered accordingly. If you're comfortable seeing everything, you can allow mature content, but keep previews or images blurred until clicked when that option exists. If the store asks you to confirm your age, follow the prompt so your choice is saved correctly. Move on to Store Content Preferences. This area lets you shape the types of items that surface as you browse, things like specific genres or tags, early access titles, demos, or add-ons. Excluding categories you never buy will reduce clutter and improve automatic recommendations. If you're experimenting, make small changes and then check the homepage or a search to see the effect. You can always come back and adjust to strike the right balance between discovery and focus. Next, open Community Content Preferences. Community sections often include screenshots, reviews, artwork, and forum posts. Use these controls to hide images flagged as sensitive, blur previews by default, reduce strong language where supported, and limit spoilers in user comments. These settings help keep discussion pages and hubs comfortable for you or anyone else using the same device. Finally, review platform preferences. Select the systems you actually use, such as specific operating systems, consoles, or VR, so the store emphasizes items that run on your setup. Disabling platforms you don't own prevents you from seeing products you can't use. If available, you can also prioritize features like controller support to refine compatibility and avoid surprises at checkout. Most stores save changes automatically as you toggle options. If you see a save or apply button, click it before leaving so nothing is lost. Preferences usually follow your signed-in account across the website and the app, which means you should only need to set them once. When you're done, return to browsing. Your storefront, recommendations, and search results should now reflect your choices. If you notice something you'd like to change, just revisit store preferences and fine-tune as needed. That's all it takes to make the store feel tailored to you.